So, hi everyone, I'm Rojal. I go to school in Washington, D.C. I'm a junior, that is a third year student, computer science major. I have had the opportunity to have taken the mentorship program, which also comes with all the courses success. All I have to say is like for the price, the courses are available. And then it's not just like one course or like a Mon stack course or something like that, but they also have like courses of DSA. They also have courses for AI. They also have courses for uh, you know AI projects, tons of other stuff in general. So what I mean is like anyone who is probably looking to buy just the courses, I feel like would it be worth the money? I mean, that's a question for yourself. Would you be able to put in time? Do you have the dedication? It's worth it because for probably a very good price, you're getting almost 10 to 12 courses bundle package. That's really nice. Another thing that I really like about this is the fact that Aryan Bhai is like super chill. He's so direct. He's so direct in the sense he's so blunt. Like जो हो रहा है जो चल रहा है बता देंगे मुंह पे. Like that's very nice. I feel like and he has himself a very good experience of working in the industry. So he brings all that expertise and then gives his mentorship to people who want to join mentorship sessions or mentorship program as well. So overall, a very good experience. Having been part of this community, and hopefully it continues to be the same. Thank you very much.